Welcome to BikeZone Pro, your go-to channel for the latest updates on two-wheelers. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Jio Electric Cycle, a revolutionary step in India's EV market. Reliance Jio has finally unveiled its first electric cycle, promising affordability, efficiency, and sustainability. Let's explore what makes this e-cycle stand out. Design and build quality. The Jio Electric Cycle features a sleek yet sturdy frame designed to handle both urban streets and semi-rural roads. It boasts lightweight aluminium construction, ensuring durability without adding unnecessary weight. With an ergonomic seat and adjustable handlebars, comfort is a key focus for daily commuters. Battery and performance. One of the biggest highlights of this e-cycle is its removable lithium-ion battery, offering a range of 50 to 80 km on a single charge. The 250-watt motor provides seamless pedal assistance, making uphill rides effortless. It can reach speeds of 25 km/h, keeping it within legal e-bike limits, while offering a smooth riding experience. Smart features and connectivity. Jio has integrated IoT-based smart features, allowing users to track battery status, navigation, and security via a dedicated JioCycle app. The cycle supports geofencing, theft protection, and Bluetooth connectivity, setting a new standard for smart e-bikes. Charging and running cost. The Jio Electric Cycle charges fully within 3 to 4 hours using a standard power socket. With minimal electricity consumption, running costs are estimated to be just a few paise per kilometer, making it one of the most economical EV options in India. Price and availability. Reliance Jio aims to keep this e-cycle budget-friendly, with an expected price of around Rs2 5000 to Rs3 5000. It will be available through JioMart, Reliance digital stores and select dealerships across India. Attractive financing options and EMI plans are also expected. Final verdict. The 2025 Jio Electric Cycle is a promising addition to the Indian e-mobility space, offering affordability, smart tech, and eco-friendliness. Whether you're a student, office commuter, or delivery rider, this e-cycle could be your perfect ride. That's all for today's update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to BikeZone Pro for more exciting two-wheeler content. See you in the next video.